Hello from Yat Dragon.com. This is Dai Sifu, and of course Dai Gong to my disciples. So yeah, you guys have been watching this series, and I said I'm gonna keep my promise of making my 8th lesson a lesson that will teach you to make your first FU for protection, right? So I expect you guys to learn all the stuff before already, okay? And of course this is for my disciples to learn, so you know all the stuff. I'm not going to repeat and waste time. So today I'm going to tell you how to write FU. Now, first thing first is because you're using your mobile altar, like your most simple altar, you want to have your stamps right here and your stuff ready. Okay? Now your FU paper. We're going to take a few pieces right here. I have a few pieces. Okay. There is a special cloth like this that we use for the backing for writing FU. Okay. So we have this as the backing. FU paper. There is one side that is shiny. One side is not shiny, or you can feel. One side is smoother. The smoother side is where you want to write on for this kind of stuff. Okay? Brush ready, ink grinded, everything. Okay, watch the previous video. I'm not going to repeat, okay? Watch the previous video. I expect everything to be ready. Okay? Now, how to start drawing FU. You cannot just go and start, okay? It's not going to work. First thing you want to do, because we're running on a mobile altar, you want to have your altar activated and open to do your FU in order for the FU to work. So the first thing you want to do is, before everything, follow the 2 lessons ago. Okay, I taught you how to open altar. You want to draw that stuff on the altar, on the table. Make sure that the table is set. Okay, draw the stuff on the table and activate the table. And then the pot, you want to place the pot in front of where you are going to write the FU. So our FU paper is right here. The pot is going to be in front of me. Okay. Now, of course, you have to also draw the stuff on the pot and then put it here. Now, you do not have to burn the cone incense. Okay. You only need to burn the stick incense. Okay. Now, these, of course, are activated already. Okay. They're activated already. What you want to do is take 3 of them and then draw your Dai Sifu, just like how you open altar, and then, like the same thing, okay? And then you put the 3 incense here, so it's burning, okay? When that is done, then now it's time to start writing your FU. If this is not done, your FU writing is just a painting. It's not going to start. Now, your brush ready. Okay, your brush. Okay, calm down yourself. Ooh, forgot my timer. Oh, mine. Okay, so you guys got some bonus there. Okay, let's go. The first thing you want to do is, now this is for all the newbies. Okay, so as you learn more, you will learn more stuff to do to this thing. So basically, I'm starting with a minimal. Okay. First thing you want to do, I'm going to pick up my sleeve so you can see my elbow better. Secret is what you want to do the first time. Secret. This is to infuse a magic power essence, the seed, into your brush and make your brush work. Okay? Start working. When it's drawing, it's going to unleash your essence, magic power essence juice in here, and not the ordinary ink anymore, okay? To do that, you place the brush right here with the hair tip facing outside. We're going to shoot a hand sign to the top of the brush. Okay, look at me right here, okay? Ring, make a ring with the thumb and forefinger. Okay? Stomp your first hard spell. Now, this is sticking to your chest, okay? Stomp. Number 1 hard spell, stomp. Pull out, flip like so, Okay, wrist and wrist touch. Now you say si, and then you pull. Okay, pull out. Chun, pull out. Fat, zhong, tong san, fat ling. Stomp your left foot, and then bounce on your chest and poke out to the tip of the brush. Blow. When you're done, guide the power to go all the way to the tip. Now this is done. I'll repeat again, okay? If you don't understand or cannot do it, ask your Dai Sifu in the lineage or other Sifu who is teaching you. They will send you maybe a video teaching you personally, something like that, okay? This is called the secret. Let's go. Hard spell, stomp, left foot. Okay. Si, chun, fat, zhong, tong, san, fat ling. Brush and power. Okay? Now, look at the hand sign to get going. Right hand right here, left hand here. First, you have this hand sign facing up. Say, watch, look here, okay? Say, Tin, Dai. Pinky in, Fat. And then sword finger, Ling. Flip, Hung. Now, when you say Hung, it's the fourth and the, like that, okay? Facing up. Again, Tin, Dai, Fat, Ling, Hung. Press onto the paper. Now, use the tip with no hair, the top of the brush. Your whole stack of paper here. Okay, the whole stack you're going to use. 1, 2, 3 on the top, middle, bottom. The center line, okay? Hammer down the center line. When you do it, say the spell. Thiên Linh Linh, Dai Linh Linh, Nhân Gian Yin Zhen Ying. And then now drag all the way up to the right upper corner of the page, of the paper. Cấp cấp yu le ling. Like this, okay? Again. Thiên Linh Linh, Dai Linh Linh, Nhân Gian Yin Zhen Ying, cấp cấp yu le ling. Now drag to here and start. Okay? Now we can start drawing. To start drawing, you take one piece and put the other away, and I'll be drawing. Okay, so I'm going to draw one fu, just for the demonstration purpose, of course. So we're done. Now you can sit down, of course. Okay. When you draw, you have your hand, your short finger can be put here, or you can put this one right here. Okay. I'm going to draw. After you're done with the fu dam, the lowest portion, use the top of your brush, hammer 3 times, 1, 2, 3, complete. Now our fu is done, okay? What you want to do after all the fu is done is to stamp them. I have my stamp pad right here. Okay, Now we have 3 stamps: 天一、靈心, and 三羅. Now for this fu, I'm going to stamp like this. Okay, I am going to stamp 天一 stamp on the top to get my resources connected. And then I'm going to stamp the middle with my Saam Law Sun Gung to activate my whole pre-heaven energy body. And then at the end, I am going to stamp the Ling Sim Gun, which is to respond or activate to trigger up your energy's heart, the heart of your energy, and so that it will pump out resource to protect you. Okay, so we're gonna stamp. Make sure that you look and see it's wet. Okay, stamp nice and good. Now when you stamp, right hand go over on top. Make sure it's on the center. 5 fingers holding the stamp. Thumb on here. Okay, 天地法令行. Stomp the left foot like this. Okay, 天地法令行. Stomp. Okay, 1 stamp is done. Next one. 天地法令行. Next one. 天地法令行. Okay, so after all that is done, your fu is ready for activation. Okay, now let's take a look close up. This is the fu that we just did together. Okay, and now this is going to go for activation. This is the fu dam. As you can see, it's very, very small, and you basically try to get it together in one blob. I'm going to do the whole fu with you guys on the whiteboard later on in a little bonus footage. But right here, you see, you have to keep the line straight and nice. Okay, ask your Dai Sifu and other Sifu in the lineage to teach you how to draw fu better if you want. Okay, now all these are done. You want to pack the writing gears away, okay? Everything is done, right? Don't move the pot. This is still burning, right? So we'll keep that aside. Put the other stuff away. Okay. Put my gears away. Now, you want to make sure that your fu is done right. And then we will put everything away and wait. Because right now, everything is just set up to draw fu, and it's not set up to tick fu. Okay? So you cannot really tick the fu yet and use the same incense. So we gotta wait, okay? Now, let's say everything is done. Okay? And we pack away the stuff. Now let's refresh, restart. Okay? Restart. You want to draw the stuff to open the table again. Now this part, you want to do it again. Put it here. Okay. And then do all the stuff to burn all the incense again, just like how you were doing your empowering with the other tools. After you're done, set up your formation. Okay. Remember, guys, remember, your sun pai must stay, the frame is always in front, okay? Now, sword, okay? Tip, the tip point this way, okay? This way is you transmitting things to the altar. Flip around, it's the altar transmitting things to you. We want it to transmit things to us, so like this, point to the left. This one, place right here. Get your fu ready, place aside. Okay? And of course, if you have the stamp, you can put your stamp here so that they will help to make your connection better as well. Okay? The most basic way to check your fu. Okay? A minute. Okay, Now just pretend the stuff is burning and stuff, okay? Now, if the food is not checked yet, it's not going to have any power, okay? It's not going to have any power. Make sure you watch how to get your altar and all that incense smoke going, okay? Okay, after that, food, face you. Face your side, okay? The writing side face you. Left sword finger clamp like this, okay? Put this over the incense smoke. Your right hand right here touching the chest. Now, heart spell number 1, stomp. Pull out, point, and then poke right to the fu dam right here. Poke. Blow. Okay. Second heart spell, stomp, poke. After we are done with the 2 heart spells, you want to do the same like before, okay? 3 times over the smoke. Now this will push the essence in, okay? After we are done, now we want to get all these power to also pack into the food too. So you want to now do the check food. Now food, facing outside. Right hand clamp the top like this, okay? Now our sword finger right here, 1 fist distance away, like this. Now stomp your second heart spell first, stomp left foot, and then say the check zao that you just used for all the item, okay? 神符震天下無極定乾坤三羅36五味調之心急急如來力 check, stomp. Stomp your left foot, poke your chest, drag down to the left side, reverse, and hit right to the bottom of the fu, where the back of the fu dam is, okay? The back of that blob. And blow. After you're done, okay, hold the fu so that it's facing up, like the fu face is facing up, okay? Now you want to do this, clamp it like that, okay? It's facing up. Now the head is here, tail is here. Okay, do a 3-7. 3 in clockwise, 7 counterclockwise. Okay, after it's all done, stomp, pull out. Okay, now you want to do your 開光。三個神功，萬變四方風力，氣衝天急急如律令 ，stop. Done. Now this is 開光. Okay, done. Now you want to clamp with both fingers halfway. This is now facing you, okay? Put the fu right here. Touching here, okay? Your finger clamping the fu, touching here. Right here, okay? Close your eyes. Now do your heart spell 1 and 2. And then you think about what you want the food to do for you exactly. Like, oh, you want it to protect you from danger, repel, whatever. Okay, think about all the ways that you want the food to do work for you. I know. Okay? And after you're done thinking, bow, okay, take away, close eyes, bow 3 times to knock this to here. Knock 1, 2, 3. This basically put all your intention that you just thunder up inside to go into the food. Okay? And then you put it here, like so. Now the food is done. Okay? So this food now can be used. And to use this food, you need to fold to carry it. Okay? To carry the food. So let me show you how to fold the food right here. Okay? So you have this food like this. Now fold to the back and make 2 folds like this. 1 time, 2 time. We just want the four portion. So you got 4 squares. Okay. Now go out like this. Okay. Now this is the easiest way to fold the food. Okay. The easiest way. Now this is the back. Okay. The front, the back. We go up from the back and you go triangle. See? Triangle. and then you go up to the next triangle. Just keep triangling, and go like that, go like that, go like that, until you reach the last portion. Okay, until you reach the last portion. Now you want to fold this part in. Okay, you want to fold this part in right here, like so. And then you want to fold this one down from the left. Okay, down from the right. And basically you can tuck this part inside the pocket. Okay, this is really roughly done, sorry, but it should look very nice when it's done right. Okay, and now it's tucked inside the pocket and concealed. Now, again, ask your sifus in the lineage to teach you and give you maybe even a video or a PDF that they made how to fold the food this way. This food now, okay, can be carried in your wallet, here, whatever, to bring protection power to you. So right now, let's go over to the whiteboard, and I'm going to finish my lesson by showing you how to draw the food. And again, always ask your Dai Sifu and other Sifu in the lineage who is teaching you right now about details, and show them what you did. Maybe even video record and stuff. Ask questions. They will have more to teach you. They will have more tips and such to give you and such. So, okay? Okay guys, let's start drawing this fu. First of all, of course, you need to know the fu Tao and such. But I'm going to keep drawing, and you can ask your Sifu and stuff to teach you about the details if you want, okay? So what you want to do is, we have a fu right here, the fu paper, okay? First is the Saam Law Fu Tao. 天地無極，陰陽開路，三個三個學識通，天地人陽陰通神法令。Saam Law Fu Tao right here. Okay, can you see? Oh yeah, you can. Good. Okay, and then the 3 dots of essence. 1, okay, 2, 3. Now this one is not to go check mark. Okay, this is not a check mark. This is 1 dot and then tick and go up. Okay, so this is 3 drops of essence. Center, left, right. Okay, there is a spell for the 3 drops. In our lineage, there's a spell. Okay, 一不神龍從天降，二不飛龍入地來，三不藏龍在此結神胎，急急如律令. After you're done, we will be writing the tickling symbol right here. There's a spell for this symbol as well. Ask your Dai Sifu and stuff for the details, of course. Okay. Okay, so I'll just go right into there. 天龍36教，地龍72教，神龍即令戚入神令. Okay. And then you draw this band all the way, this band down, and all the way. Okay. Now you see we have the fu basically done like so. Okay, maybe you need to zoom out a bit because you can't see. Okay, there we go. Okay. Now this is the forward inside the fu. 保命護身. 保命 is to guard and safeguard your life. 護身 is to protect your body. Okay. 保命. I'm going to write a little bit more formal here so you can see. 保命護身. And then right here, we'll be drawing the fu dam. Now the fu dam is the fu bladder. We talked about that in our internal lineage lecture. So it's a bunch of words that you were stacking up right here to form the blob. So this one, the order will be like so. I'm going to write it right here, okay? The fu dam for this one. Now for this one, we'll be doing a fu dam like this. First, Saam Law Fu Tao, okay? Saam Law Fu Tao right here. And then we'll be doing a Yat Yud Sam Ching 1, 2, 3, and then 13 loops. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, okay? And then after we're done with that, we write this gong right here, okay? Very simple fu dam. When you draw all these in here, it looks like that. Okay? Okay? This is how you do it. Oh, by the way, sorry. Missing one thing. At the end, there's the footer. 天羅神、地羅神、大羅神、正令天機法令行神龍從天降急如律令 right here. This is the footer. So you basically have to scribble that in as well. As you do every brush stroke, there's a spell to it. Okay? Make sure that you also do the spell and not just write the word, because or else your word is not charged with any power and it's not going to work. Now, the spell for doing all these, you can also request and verify by asking your Dai Sifu or other Sifu who is teaching you in the lineage right now. Basically just ask them, for these things, and well, what do you do for the spells and stuff. Ask them for the detailed teaching, but here you see this is the first fu that can do protection for you, and it's a protection fu. Okay, now what it does is first of all, Saam Law Fu Tao, it draws the power that is cultivated inside your body, which is in this category. Now this category is the most foundation power of your magic power that you get in the lineage. Okay, this is the stuff. And then you infuse the essence to create energy and to create the power. Energy and power is different, okay? Energy is like elements. Power is when it's sparked up. And then it bonds the energy to create effect. Now it uses or consume or use up the fuel, which is the energy, to create the effect to the next party. And what it is doing inside is to secure your life and protect your body. And then this is the action, what it's going to do when to achieve this thing. It's going to go through your pre-heaven energy body, your energy body in the pre-heaven state. It's going to activate that, okay? And then it's going to bring out the power to protect and to shield, to shine its pre-heaven energy, the light, to your physical body by giving the essence to your body right here. And this 13 loops is to execute and have this energy go into your pre-heaven body, your body right here, your physical body. So your spiritual body is going to draw out essence and shine light to your physical body right here. Now this gong is to internally align and tune all your energies and all your particles to the right flow. So if you're being attacked or you're facing spiritual stuff, a bad spirit, stuff like that, it's going to freak you out, right? When you freak out or if you're being attacked, your energy is misaligned. This is going to align the energy back and make you calm and stuff. Everything's going to be fine again. And then this footer right here, it's going to activate the whole system of the fu and get the energy to beam over and start and kickstart the whole thing and cause the effect. So this is the whole meaning of the fu. Every fu have their meaning and can be decoded strokes by stroke. And also don't forget that every word in the fu have spells to do with it. So when you learn fu from us, of course, always ask the sifu who's teaching you inside the lineage, and they will be teaching you the spells of the little parts. So for example, let me just try to keep going through the spells and you can see, okay? Like this one. 天地無極，陰陽開路，同33個透視通，天地人陽陰通神法令，一不神龍從天降，二不飛龍入地來，三不藏龍財之結神胎，急急如律令，天龍36教，地龍72教，神龍7力戚入神靈如律令。And then right here, the two bands also have spells, okay? You see, it's kind of crazy, okay? 紫金真龍從天降，三羅神法入地來，急急如律令。保命護身. Now this one don't have spell. And then right here, there's a spell. 天地無極，陰陽開路通，33個天地通神法，日月光明照四方，精神太清的指錯有冇神智，未生又出大嘅大利，有天兵有神滅在講，有個聖令，天羅神地羅神大羅神聖令，天機翻嚟神龍水我急急如律令。And then after that, 3 times, hammer in, lock in the power to this FU dam, the bladder of the FU. Lock it in, secure, and now the FU is done. Okay? This is the most basic way how we can do FU. And there is a lot of more advanced stuff, more advanced knowledge to these things. And as you learn more, there's a lot more to it. But right now, we're dealing with the first FU, trying to get you on FU in the first 8 lessons. So there it goes. Okay, I kept my promise. So hope you guys like it, and we'll see you next class. We'll teach you more stuff like protection magic that you can use without a FU and stuff like that. So we'll see you next class. Okay, bye-bye.